this is amazing also today on the 14th of March 2025. And what was the other symbol there?
Asuntossa kehittyy Eskolantie 16.
Yeah, Eskolantie 16, staircase E, A6E here.
Yeah.
And it's also here in Pukinmäki, Volkswagen. Helsinki has four also here in Finland. Has 6 floors also built in 1983 with the implement fixtures. It was a 62709. Let's try to do that here. The van takes 4 posts to take 5 hands. The lamps are not in use here.
Yeah.
Probably not. But maybe it has needless memory, we'll check that.
Yeah.
Maybe I have to check the codes for the other stages here.
Yeah.
No, it's without memory.
Yeah.
Doesn't need it.
Yeah. Niissä speedbyliftissä tuntuu, että meitä ei Espanjassa.
Oh, that's it.
That's